Day 2 of walking. Yesterday, lumiko ako pa left. And now, pa straight naman. Straight. Because I'm going to buy kebab for today's video. So, mahangin pala ngayon guys, kaya kahit mainit, hindi mo siya ma-feel kasi mahangin nga. There's a cat! So, yung pupuntahan ko today is sa mall siya, sa Atrio. Actually, hindi na ako pumunta na Atrio, but makikita mo na doon sa part na yon yung Atrio. Kasi tatawid pa eh. And I don't want to go. So, dito sa part na to guys, madadaanan mo ang building ng Mercedes-Benz. And we're going to this part. Dadaan tayo sa damuhan. So, ayan guys, dyan sa may red. Dyan yung bilihan ng kebab. So guys, dyan lang sa kabilang part ang Atrio. Oh my god guys, I'm getting stressed. It's German. I don't know how to speak it. Kaya ko ba ma-order? Sana nag-i-English sila, no? So guys, naka-order na ang croissant. Look. And to go na lang yung in-order ko kasi ayoko kumain doon. And I'm very shy person. So to go na lang. And then, hindi ko sure ha. Kung 2 beses kasi ako sa card reader, baka 2 beses ako nakapagbayad. Hindi ko kasi mag-guess yung card reader niya. It's different. I'm just going to check it pag uwi ko kasi wala akong internet. This is the problem when you don't have internet. But yeah, this is my order.